Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to save the day, ensuring you never misplace your valuables again. We all know that sinking feeling of searching frantically for something important, wasting precious time, and causing unnecessary stress. That's exactly where the brilliant engineering of the Apple AirTag steps in, transforming how you keep track of your most cherished possessions. What makes this tracker truly revolutionary is precision finding, powered by Ultra Wideband technology, guiding you with exact distance and direction right to your lost item. It's like having a personal bloodhound for your stuff. Setting up these incredible devices is ridiculously simple. With just one tap, your AirTag instantly pairs with your iPhone, making it effortless to get started in seconds. Plus, with its IP67 water and dust resistance, you don't have to worry about a little spill or an outdoor adventure. Your AirTag can handle it, giving you ultimate peace of mind. This 4-pack offers incredible value, letting you secure multiple items like luggage, backpacks, or even your bike, making it an essential gadget for every tech-savvy individual. If you're searching for the absolute best Bluetooth tracker in 2025, or wondering if the Apple AirTag is truly worth buying, look no further. Ready to upgrade your peace of mind and stop losing things? Click the Amazon link in the description below to grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack today. I wholeheartedly recommend the Apple AirTag as the ultimate solution for keeping track of everything important, making it a top contender for the best electronics of 2025.